Everyone tells you that Seattle is miserable in the winter, but they're just doing it wrong. Most people head to Pike's Marketplace or a museum when it rains, but after 8 years living on the West Coast, we have a better, savvy secret. Today we're at the Palace Spa, a Korean jjimjilbang, which is one of my favorite spas in Seattle. If you're a traveler looking for a budget luxury day, this is it. It costs $40 to get in, which is a fraction of what you'd pay at a hotel spa downtown. Inside, it feels exactly like the jjimjilbangs in Seoul, Korea, or the onsens we're visiting in Hakone next month. We are doing a full Korean body scrub today. It's legendary, a bit intense, but it's the best way to hit the reset button on your skin.
This is my holy grail: vitamin C, electrolyte, and saffron. Warm water. I drink it every day to look forever 21. And I'm already in my mid-30s.
In Korea, these jjimjilbangs are a way of life. They use the salt and jewel walls for detoxing. It's a century-old tradition that I'm so happy that I can find right here in the Pacific Northwest. Being here brings back so many memories. Back in 2010, I moved to South Korea for a year, and honestly, it changed the entire trajectory of my life. Before that trip, I was shy, but Korea pushed me out of my comfort zone. I met people from all over the world and sat with locals who taught me that travel isn't just about the places you go, but the person you become. That's where my travel bug really kicked in. It's where I learned to be adventurous. So when I come to this jjimjilbang here, I'm not just soaking in salt water. I'm reconnecting with that version of myself that first decided to see the world. After 4 hours of steaming, we're heading back out into the Seattle rain, but the day isn't over. Whenever it rains like this, one of my favorite savvy to-go spots is a candlelight concert. I've been to a few of these in Seattle, and there is nothing like sitting in a room full of candles and romantic music while it's pouring outside. Seattle is the world famous for its music scene, so you can't have a rainy day here without catching a show. If you want something intimate, the candlelight concerts are my savvy secrets. It's pure magic. But if you're looking for that big, significant Seattle energy, you have to check out the local venues like where I saw Hauser. Seeing a world-class cellist like Hauser in this setting was incredible. It's a completely different vibe from the candles. It's powerful, it's emotional, and it reminds you why the city has so much soul. Whether you want quiet and cozy or loud and legendary, Seattle has a rainy day seat for you. I also have to mention one of my favorite memories from last year, Enchanted Christmas at T-Mobile Park. If you're looking for it on the 2025 calendar, here is a savvy update. They actually didn't bring it back to Seattle this season. It's a bummer because walking through the world's largest light maze in a baseball stadium was such a significant experience. Since we don't have Enchant this year, it's even more important to have your rain day backup plan ready. That's why I've been leaning so hard into the Korean spas and the candlelight concerts. When one tradition closes, you find a new way to stay adventurous. Are you ready to go to Holland? To end this rainy Seattle day, we are heading to a friend's house for an annual Christmas party. One thing I've learned since my time in Korea back in 2010 is that no matter where you travel in the world, it's the community that makes a place feel like home. Seattle can be known for the Seattle freeze, but once you find your tribe, the winters feel a lot warmer. We are doing potluck tonight. This is our last big hooray before we pack our bags for Japan and Vietnam. It's a bit bittersweet to leave this community, but that's the life of a savvy traveler. You carry these friendships with you to the next destination. And of course, it wouldn't be a party with the crew without some karaoke. Just like in Korean culture, for us Vietnamese, karaoke is a love language. It's loud, it's chaotic, and it's the best way to shake off the rainy day blues. Seattle winters can be great, but between the spas, the concerts, and nights like this, there's so much warmth to be found if you know where to look. We are officially in countdown mode now for our big move to Asia. So make sure you are subscribed to follow the journey from the Pacific Northwest to the streets of Saigon and Tokyo. But I want to hear from you. What's your favorite way to escape the rain? And are any of you planning a trip to Seattle soon? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, stay savvy, stay adventurous, and I'll see you in the next one.